Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we will be working on a project slide to pump. Now, before making all the connections, first of all I've taken this container and I've filled it with water and I've taken this water pump, submerged it inside the water and connected it with a pipe. These are its terminals. The black one is the negative and the red one is the positive. Now let's make the connections. First of all, we will connect the power to the slide switch, then positive of the water pump to the slide switch, and then its negative to the ground. Now, when I will turn the switch on, the water is supposed to circulate and we should see water passing from here. Now, before starting the switch, I will hold it over here so that the water goes inside and not outside the container. Now, let's try. I will switch it on and let's see. It will take a few seconds. And see, it's working. It will stop working as soon as I turn the switch off. Let's do it again. And this is done.